If all these things has to happen, we have to work differently. Here if you see, data is wealth. We have huge amount of historical data already available. And every day 400 million terabyte of such data is being generated. AI and ML based analytics on this data is changing the way we see our world. Here if you see, telecom regulation, deregulation has come, digital currency has come. That also I am very happy, I am fortunate. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked me to give a report on digital currency. Now in the world, highest circulations on digital currency is in India. We are very proud, we are having Aadhaar, authentication, that is one advantage. We are having GST. Even Narendra Modi ji has promoted JAM, Jandan, Aadhaar, mobile, sync. This is another biggest advantage we are having. Now, Ayushman Bharat, Arha for education portal, even for certificates, lockers, all these things are coming. Here I wanted to tell all of you, in future data is wealth. How much money you are having is not the question. How much data you are having, that will be biggest wealth for an individual, for a company, or for the country. If you are having data, you can go through artificial intelligence and also machine learning for proper outcomes. That will be the game changer in future, even now. Here, we are all in an inspiring time. I repeatedly am requesting all young brains and academicians, you have to think differently. One is in cloud, data is available. Through Uberization, artificial intelligence, we can use it by getting proper knowledge. Now, drones have come. We can program it. We can send it to anywhere, get information. Recently, we have used it in Amaravati, Vijayawada floods. All of a sudden, I got an idea. I told my secretary, Suresh Kumar, I saw there my SDRF staff, by going boats, they wanted to give it every home because in water, 6 feet, 8 feet water, it is impossible. So they used to throw. They are all in different buildings. Then it is falling on water. Again they used to lift it. It is contamination. Then I asked our people to go for drone supply. We didn't prepare. That is only immediately impulsive way we have done. For every house, we are able to supply through drone food supply. They are very happy. Even helicopters we have used. In helicopters, from height they have to throw the food on the building. So much of damage. Without damage, we are able to do nearly 150,000 members food supply through drones. I am very proud of it. Then we had another experiment. I asked our drone corporation MD, send drone throughout the city. How much garbage is stocking there? In a disaster, in a flood, so much of garbage is generated from houses, all houses are submerged, all these things they used to lift it, otherwise smell will come, contamination, so many problems. Then all these things, real time, we are able to identify and alert municipal corporation to lift all garbage. Within real time, you can see 20,000 metric tons garbage we are able to lift within 4 or 5 days. That is the biggest achievement because of drones. All roads appears to be clean. Whenever there is a garbage, drone will come, will go there, put a picture, then municipal corporation will go and lift it. Even in Vijayawada, we had a bigger problem. All drains are totally closed. Water is not going. Then we send drones, different drains, and identify wherever it is closed. Then we used to send Procline, remove that blockade. That is how limited use cases we have done. It has given excellent advantage. Tomorrow, drone is a game changer. I am telling all of you how we are going to use it, either in agriculture or in infrastructure or in so many areas. Wherever it is possible, you can use it in a big way. Second is, drone is a carrier. You can program it, get the information. There is a CCTV camera. You can fix it, important places. Even everything we can track it real time. Either rowdy sheeters are moving or traffic violations or drunken condition. Any violations you can identify. Even temples, masjid or churches, we can have a security. Earlier we used to have police everywhere. Today that is where I am planning. Visible policing, invisible police. That is our idea. Very soon I am going to give a challenge to the rowdy sheeters. Anybody will commit a crime, within no time we are going to catch them and punish them in a big way. This is the another advantage. Satellite data is available. Your cell phone, that is another one of the biggest advantage for you. But all cell phone, you can use it, you can record it, but you have to carry. Another thing, apps have come. Anything. Today there is a pest in the field. Somebody will go to the field and record it. Every day you can see his field farmer. There is a pest, then you can inform drone company or government coordination with one message. Then drone will go and then identify the pest. Only there they are going to apply pesticide spraying. This is where I am planning precision in agriculture. Every application, not only one application, so many applications we can do it. This is where I am saying one is data is available, knowledge is available, artificial intelligence is available, this is historical data, real-time data through drone, CCTV camera or satellite or cell phone, you can get it. We can go for real-time decision making, which is more accurate and execute in the last mile. That is the future I am telling you. All youngsters have to think in that direction. Then anybody can start a company by sitting anywhere from your place. You can operate anywhere in the world. This is where I am asking you here. So many people are there here. I am giving you future how it will be. Agri-tech, in agriculture, how to use technologies totally. Even you can go soil testing through drone. You can assess what is the yield of the crop through drone. You can use drone for pesticides control. You can go for survey of land. So many use cases you can prepare through drones. And also in veterinary, you can do it. In medical technology, there are wearables now. There are IoTs. By using all these things, we can monitor patient continuously. If necessary, only we will call him to hospital. Today, 70% of patients are unnecessarily paying money. Tomorrow, how to monitor patient from home? If necessary, send ambulance, get him at the appropriate time. This type of management techniques are going to come in a big way. So, this is another thing I am requesting all of you. This is finally all these things we are going to put it in sandbox. One is I am appealing to drone manufacturers and ecosystem players how to take to the logical conclusion all of us has to think over.